You can see, oh, you can see.
You see, when I dey lock on the house and I dey play.
You dey lock shop. You think
Stop
say your shop
playing.
dey
Sorry,
secure.
it's not secured. Make una see am o. Una see am. Yam. You dey see am. Oya see the man.
This is the boy we saw. Montarini. This is the boy we saw that is using those things to open cars and padlock, thieving people's clothes. Be careful in your area. Please be careful about this thing. A cutter that opens cars and padlock in every area. All these people, they are using it to thief. Can you see? Boots.
For those of una wey think that you are locking your doors or your cars that is safe, my brother and my sister, just pray that such people don't meet you, because you can imagine somebody using this simple hand tool to open all different doors, padlocks, motor cars doors. Like, we are not safe anymore. Okay, we are not safe anymore, because I don't even understand how this person managed to use this piece of scissors to open padlocks and open door. Like, seriously, we are not safe. Oh. We are not safe. I think it's hard time everybody, you have to be vigilant, because with the way armed robbery is going, I don't know, Sha. God will help us.